Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. Hope you're all doing well. So here I have some of the most in demand smartwatches in the market at the moment. They all come with great amount of health sensors that we all use on a daily basis. So I just wanted to put them all to test today. So some of the health sensors that I'd like to check today is heart rate, SpO2, breathing, stress measurement, skin temperature. And some of those tests I'd like to test it against medical grade devices as well and see how they compare. I'd also like to check ECG with the watches that support ECG. I think the Ticwatch doesn't support ECG, but the others do, so I'll test those and also show you. So we'll start off with the Pixel Watch, checking the heart rate accuracy with the medical grade oximeter as well. So let's start. So I've got my Pixel Watch on. Let's go to the heart rate. Here it is, and it's showing it's 83 at the moment. Let's put the oximeter on and see what it detects. On the Pixel, there is a SpO sensor, but no app for it yet to do the SpO on the Pixel. So the oximeter is showing 80, and on the heart rate is 81, 82. Yep, so they're basically, you can see, pretty accurate heart rate between the Pixel and the oximeter. Okay, let's move on to the next watch. So we got the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro now. Let's check this one. So this one we've set on continuous measurement, so it's on 24/7. We've got 85 here, we've got 85 there, so pretty much on the spot with the heart rate. Okay, let's check the next one. Okay, so I've got my Ticwatch on. So far the Pixel Watch and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro are neck and neck with the perfect measurement with the medical oximeter. So let's check the Ticwatch. Again, Ticwatch is also set on continuous measure. If we tap on it, it's showing 75. Okay, and we've got 75 on the oximeter as well. Pretty accurate. Let's move on to the next watch. So I've got the Huawei Watch 4 Pro now, one of the most expensive one I have at the moment, and they're well known for their accuracy with the sensors as well. So let's check this one out. So we've got that here. Let's tap on it. Here we go. 84, 85, 85, 84. So it's pretty accurate. They're taking a second or so, but it's pretty much 81, 79, one behind with the oximeter, but not very, probably by a millisecond. Actually, yes, so I would say pretty accurate. So now we're going to do the SpO2 test with these watches. So the Pixel Watch does have a sensor to measure SpO2 for sleep tracking, but it doesn't have a separate app to manually check SpO2. So sadly, Pixel Watch is out of the competition for the moment. Let's check these three and see how that is with the oximeter. Let's start with the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. So I've got the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Let's get the blood oxygen and measure. Okay, so we've got 97 here and we've got 99 on the oximeter. Okay, so let's move to the next one. So I've got the Ticwatch Pro 5. Let's check this one. There we are. %, is saying normal. We've got 97 on the oximeter. So let's move to the next one. So we've got the Huawei Watch 4 Pro. Let's measure. Okay, so we've got 99%, We got 99% on the oximeter as well. So that's exactly on the dot. So now I'm going to check stress level on these watches. Again, Pixel doesn't check stress level, so we'll take this one out of the competition and we'll start with the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. So I've got the Watch 5 Pro now and I'm going to measure stress. So let's find, there it is, and measure. Here we go. So it's actually showing my stress level quite high. This one unfortunately doesn't have a number, so it has a color chart. So the more stressed you are, the higher the white dot will be. 5 minutes ago I was actually below average, so I've gone up now. Okay, I'm just going to measure one more time because I'm quite stressed that my stress level is so high. So let's do it one more time, just to be sure that I'm not so stressed, or maybe I am. Measure. Okay, so here we are. My stress is very low now. So I'm a bit worried about the consistency of this watch's measurement, because a few minutes ago I was way above and a minute later I'm way below. So I think because of the inconsistency, I should do a third measurement and see what happens. Okay, so it's gone up again. So I don't know how within a minute that can happen. So anyway, let's go and check it on the next watch and see what happens. So I've got the Ticwatch Pro 5 now. Let's check the stress level on this one. Here we are. And let's measure. Okay. So it's saying stress level is medium, 53. So here you can see, it's the thing with the Ticwatch is that the writing is so faint. I'm not sure if you can see, we've got 0 here, 25, 50, so I'm just over 50, and then you got 75 here and 100 here. So obviously the worse it gets, the darker it gets in color. I think there's a little needle here, white needle, that indicates where I am. So let's check with the next watch. So I've got the Huawei Watch 4 Pro here now, and I'm going to do the test through Health Glance because the tile itself measures continuously and it doesn't allow manual reading. So I'll just quickly show you the tile where it shows the continuous reading of stress. So here it's showing 38 and it just stays on continuous reading. It won't allow me to manually press and measure there and then. So let's go to the Health Glance app, which is here, and do the measurement. This will show everything, but we're just going to focus on the stress. We'll skip the breathing test now. No abnormalities. So we have heart rate, SPO, stress. Okay, so it's showing my stress as 44 normal, and it's on the kind of like a turquoise bit there. Obviously, again, it's a color charted, so the more stressed you are, the brighter the color gets. So 44 on the Huawei Watch 4 Pro. So now I'm going to measure the skin temperature. Pixel Watch doesn't have the capability to do that, so that's out of the competition. Ticwatch does have it, but only during sleep tracking, so manually we can't do that, so that's out of the competition as well. So the only two watch we're going to be measuring is the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and Huawei Watch 4 Pro. Just to also quickly mention that Galaxy Watch 5 Pro also didn't have a skin temperature measurement app. Only recently they activated it, so we've downloaded the app to have that, so we'll use that feature to measure the skin temperature. We're going to do the skin temperature measurement. Here's the app. So we've got it down as 34.3 degrees Celsius and 93.8 Fahrenheit. So let's check the other watch. So I've got the Huawei Watch 4 Pro now, and we'll do the skin temperature measurement. There we are. So I think this one is on continuous measurement as well. There you go, 34.8. So now I'm going to do ECG test. ECG test detects any heart abnormality. With these watches, I believe the Ticwatch does have the facilities, but only enabled in certain regions, but not in the UK. So for us, Ticwatch is out of the competition, and we'll be testing on these watches. So I'm going to start with the Google Pixel Watch and check. There we go. It's normal, 70 BPM. So now I'm going to do ECG on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. So I'm going to do the ECG. So it's come back with the result. This ECG does not show signs of atrial fibrillation. Okay. And it's 69 BPM. Okay, let's check the next watch. So now I'm going to do ECG on the Huawei Watch 4 Pro. ECG. Okay, so the result is, again, it's fine. There's no sign of AFib, so that's great. So I've done all the tests that I mentioned that I was going to do, but there's 3 more important tests that I think I need to mention. The Huawei Watch does have the sugar level checks available in China, but not anywhere else, so I'm going to put this away. With the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro has the bioimpedance sensor, which is basically produces a report and calculates your body mass, skeletal mass, etc. and also does the blood pressure. So by far, I think the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro does really well with health sensors and tracking. So I'm going to put these 2 away because there's nothing else I could do in terms of health with these 2. But with the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, because it can continue with 2 more tests, I think I should just show you guys, because obviously that outweighs all the other on-demand watches. So the body mass measurement and the blood pressure measurement, I'm going to get my husband to do those because his profile is set on the watch. Okay, so here we go. It gives you detail about your weight and where you are in terms of skeletal muscles, fat mass, body fat, BMI, body water level, and what else? Can you just go up a bit? BMR. So it's quite detailed actually. That's one feature that none of the other watch has it. So if someone's really into like their health, they're calculating every calorie they're taking, this is quite a good feature to track your health. So now we're going to do the blood pressure test. Okay, so it's 124/88. We'll now do a quick measurement with the medical grade blood pressure reading device and see how accurate that is. So this one is the medical grade device is showing 129/88. So I would say that's pretty close because the watch showed 124/88 and this one is 129/88. Just to mention guys, I'll do a separate video for sleep tracking, otherwise this video will be too long. So guys, this was a very comprehensive look at all the health features available on the most on-demand smartwatches on the market at the moment. I hope you'll find it helpful. So let's summarize and conclude this video now. So overall, we've measured 5 health aspects in this video, starting with heart rate, SpO2, stress, skin temperature, and ECG. out of the 5, Pixel Watch done 2 and done excellent, which is the heart rate and ECG, and it was out for the other 3 because it didn't have the features. With the Galaxy 5 Pro watch, it had all 5 features, and with the stress level, it was slightly inconsistent. Moving on to Ticwatch Pro 5, it had heart rate, SpO2, stress, and it was out for 2 of the features, which was the skin temperature and ECG. Again, it done well with all the readings. With the Huawei Watch 4 Pro, it had all of the features, and all of them it actually scored really well, and it was very, very accurate. So overall, I think on those 5 features, Huawei Watch 4 Pro won. However, Galaxy Watch 5 Pro had 2 extra additional features, which was the body composition measurement, which is a good guide. In terms of accuracy, we have the Ringke professional weight measurement scale, and against that I would say it does well. There are some inconsistency, but it is a good guide. In terms of the next feature, which was the blood pressure measurement, and you guys saw we done a measurement against a medical grade device, pretty much spot on with the measurement for blood pressure as well. So overall, out of the 4 watches, I would say, because the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro offers 7 different health features to test yourself, I would say out of them all, only on the terms of health features, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro wins, followed by the Huawei Watch 4 Pro. But if we take out the 2 features, which was the body composition and blood pressure, the Huawei Watch 4 Pro wins overall. So that's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. If you have, please do give it a like, which would really help this video and us go further with our channel, and support us by subscribing. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.